Hey everybody, John Stovall, MarineMax Lake Lanier. You join me today on a 2026 Sylvan X3, 23 foot in the X lineup. This is new, some new features for 2026, a couple different interior appointments, things like that. Cup holders here, true to all Sylvans. Double hinge seats with a dry storage box, so anything that you spray on the floor, if you start hosing the boat off, will not get in your storage compartments, which is nice. Speakers down below. Table here in the center. Very functional up here. Upgraded in-floor storage. This also has the upgraded vinyl teak weave, which looks fantastic. Twin captain's chairs. These are the new chairs for 2026, so new headrest design and upholstery design. A Humminbird Helix 5 in the dash with all your gauges and things like that. This boat is also equipped with a power bimini with a ton of coverage. Easy up, easy down. One of our more popular layouts, this is the CLZ or single lounger. So again, folds back and forth, makes one big giant lounger, or if you want to have people sitting across, you can. Has the upgraded stern enclosure with the powder coating and the integrated ski tow bar. Mercury 225 horsepower V6 and the lily pad upgraded ladder, which is great for dogs and everybody alike. Appreciate you taking the time to join us. If you want more information about this boat, please visit us at www.marinemax.com.